The DataRay software offers flexible triggering and exposure time controls. You can change the trigger settings by navigating to the trigger bar in the bottom right and right-clicking the bar. By default, the software will use the software trigger. The software will continually capture frames and show them on the screen. This is great for CW, quasi-CW, and high repetition rate lasers. In other situations, you might only want to capture a frame when the signal is bright enough. In that case, you can enable auto trigger. Now, if the signal is below or above a certain level, the software will throw out the frame. Only when it's between these two values will the frame get saved. Additionally, we have options for external triggers here. You can select an option to have the TTL trigger either on the positive or negative edge of the pulse, so it's nice and flexible for whatever you need. In addition to trigger options, we have exposure time controls. By default, the software is set to enable auto exposure. What this means is the software will automatically choose an exposure time that best suits the laser on it. If there's a situation where you need to manually control the exposure, you can go to the exposure settings by hovering over the exposure time slider, right-clicking it, and either enabling or disabling auto exposure. Again, by default, auto exposure is enabled. The software can just pick the exposure time for you. You can also enable limits to the exposure time. Maybe you want a wider or more narrow range of exposure times you want to use. That's available here too.